this is
Today.
Presty.
This Presty and Dimas.
Yes. So today we're gonna play this parkour.
Yeah, it's called Escape Traditional Circuit.
Yes. Let's go.
Let's go. Starting on, we need to parkour these. Yeah, it's super hard. But you can take in lane.
I can do it.
I'm using the double jump armor.
Which is he bought it from the store.
Well, if you press 2 times, it will make you a speed.
Yeah, kinda. I'm waiting for the pressure.
No.
I'm not
Kidding?
Did I go in the wrong spot? Or
Yes, you did.
you strength? Wait, no, I did not. Yay.
Why would you go here?
What the? Dimas, you're a cheater.
Yeah, I'm a cheater.
I hate ya. Ow, ow, This makes me confused. Are we supposed to go there or just go?
Done.
Bro, you're just a cheater on every day, bro.
Yeah, I get.
If
I
you
just checkpoints.
you cheat every day, you get banned. You get it? Cause you cheat. You get it? Bro! Okay, I can do this by myself. Rum, 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 rum. Rum, 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 rum.
Yes, I get it.
You already did. Now what do I do? Oh,
I want to check the checkpoint.
this has stairs, so I'm going for it. Yeah. This is confusing. Ah, yikes.
Ay, yikes. What is this place?
Wait me. Where are you? At the end?
Oh, yeah, I'm close to the end. I will wait you.
Bro, wait, what?
Yeah,
Oh my
I crashed.
god. Ow, ow, oh.
Now I'm watching my sister, guys.
I'm just hopping and bouncing.
Yeah, I already do that part. And that's easy.
Oh, really?
But that's double jump.
But I don't have armor, but you do.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Rum, yum, yes.
I thought only that it has a skate with booster on it.
I think this obby needs a change, you know. I think there's lava underneath. Is it a maze? Oh my. Holy god, it's a maze. Oh, holy god.
Oh, we finished.
Oh, yay. Oh my, what is this?
Yes. Serious?
Oh, why's Jack's white? Yeah, cause there's no purple, you got it. Oh,
Yeah,
clay.
Jack is a mean
Clay. Oh my gosh, that is design great. Thank you
Hey,
for
guys.
who made the game. Subo is right here. Subo is right here. And where's Pommy?
Pony? I don't see Pony.
Ow.
Sumo.
The
And Jack.
circus is right over there. And yeah,
And
that's all.
Kane.
And Subo.
Yeah.
And Puppet. Wait, is this a pop? Is this still supposed to be a puppet? Because it looks like one.
Yes, a puppet.
Okay, the video will end. Bye bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys. Tomorrow.